Why PiCoin stands out. The concept of PiCoin revolves around the idea of creating a cryptocurrency that is accessible, inclusive, and user-friendly. The PiNetwork, developed by a team of Stanford graduates, aims to make cryptocurrency mining accessible to anyone with a smartphone, eliminating the traditional barriers of cost and technical expertise. Here are some key aspects of how PiCoin could revolutionize global currency with a stable value. 1. Accessibility for everyone. PiNetwork allows users to mine PiCoins directly from their mobile devices without draining battery life. This inclusivity encourages global participation, particularly in regions where access to traditional financial systems or expensive mining rigs is limited. 2. Decentralized and secure PiCoin leverages a consensus algorithm known as the Stellar Consensus Protocol, SCP, which ensures transactions are secure and efficient without requiring high energy consumption. 3. Focus on stable value. Unlike highly volatile cryptocurrencies, PiCoin aims to achieve stability by fostering widespread adoption and creating real-world utility for its tokens. Its value proposition includes building a decentralized economy where users can buy goods, services, or trade securely. Building an ecosystem. The PiNetwork is developing a full ecosystem, including a marketplace where PiCoins can be exchanged for goods and services, thus driving utility and stability. Encouraging community-driven governance to maintain long-term stability. 5. Global financial inclusion. By lowering the barrier to entry for mining and usage, PiCoin empowers underbanked populations, promoting financial inclusion across developing nations. Challenges to overcome. While promising, PiCoin faces challenges such as establishing real-world utility for the coin, regulatory hurdles across different countries, converting the growing user base into a sustainable economy. PiCoin differs from traditional cryptocurrencies that often fluctuate in value and are primarily used for speculation or investment. Instead, PiCoin maintains a stable, fixed value. For instance, if one PiCoin equals $314,159, this value remains constant, making PiCoin a stable and reliable choice for daily transactions. Illustrative examples. First example, imagine country A with a total money circulation of $1 billion. If country A transitions entirely to using PiCoin, they would exchange all their fiat money into PiCoin. With one PiCoin equals $314,159, $1 billion in country A's fiat currency would equate to 3,183 PiCoins. Second example, country B decides to adopt PiCoin for half of its total money circulation, which amounts to $1 billion. This means they would exchange $500 million of their fiat money into PiCoin. With one PiCoin equals $314,159, $500 million of country B's fiat money would be equivalent to 1,591.5 PiCoins, while the remaining $500 million would remain in 185 PiCoins fiat. Full benefits exchanging. Fiat money for PiCoin results in no profit or loss, as the total value of fiat money exchanged equals the total value of PiCoin obtained. Fiat money converted into PiCoin automatically becomes a stable source of liquidity during the exchange process. A better future with PiCoin. Understanding PiCoin as a stable global currency enables us to secure a better economic future. PiCoin serves not only as a transactional tool, but also as a representation of stable value, driving global economic progress without the uncertainty of fluctuating values' sustainable economy. Address these challenges, it has the potential to emerge as a significant player in the global cryptocurrency market with a stable and accessible digital currency. Don't forget to click subscribe, like, and share.